Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the Microsoft OneNote. So let's get started. First thing first, what is OneNote? OneNote is your notebook for capturing what is important in life. Is it not better than to have an app where you can write and take down notes or even create a to-do list than carry a book with you everywhere you go? So OneNote is the best Microsoft program that you can use. If you have ignored digital note-taking app because you think it is just more software that will take up your disk space, then it is time to reconsider. Microsoft have made it possible for OneNote to be downloaded everywhere: Mac, iOS, iPad, Android, Chrome, and of course Windows. Organizing your notes into notebooks enhances the structure and clarity of your information. By categorizing different subjects, projects, or categories into separate compartments, you facilitate easier retrieval of information. To apply this method in Microsoft OneNote for note taking, simply create a new notebook for each distinct topic or area of focus. For example, you could maintain separate notebooks for personal journaling, work projects, and educational endeavors. Another way to utilize Microsoft OneNote for note-taking offers flexibility and customization to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer writing by hand or typing, OneNote accommodates both methods seamlessly. To use this functionality, simply open a new page in OneNote and use a stylus, digital pen, or your finger on a touch-enabled device to write or draw directly on the page. OneNote automatically converts your handwritten note into typed text, ensuring readability and ease of use moving forward. Now, the method of utilizing Microsoft OneNote for note-taking enables you to enrich your notes by capturing both auditory and visual content as well. This capability is especially valuable for recording lectures, meetings, or interviews, enabling you to review and revisit discussions alongside your written notes. To record audio or video in OneNote, start by opening a new page and navigating to the Insert tab, then choose either Record Audio or Record Video from the toolbar. When you use tags in your notes, you can quickly categorize and organize important points or actions items. In Microsoft OneNote, you can apply tags to specific text or information, making it easier to locate relevant details later on. To use tags for note-taking in OneNote, start by selecting the text or content you want to tag, then right-click on the selected text to bring up a context menu where you can choose from various predefined tags, and additionally, you have the option to create custom tags that align with your specific requirements and preferences. This features helps streamline your note organization and retrieval process effectively. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.